Good morning, students. Class plus 2, unit number 4, electromagnetic induction. Today we are going to discuss a very important phenomena, mutual induction. See here, mutual induction. As the name indicates, bachcho, what is the meaning of mutual here? A pair of two coils. It is the property of two coils. Here you see it, P and S. It is a primary coil, it is a secondary coil. It is a primary circuit, it is a secondary circuit. It is known as input circuit, it is known as output circuit. So input is given in the primary circuit and output we get in the secondary circuit. So that's why it is known as mutual induction. So see here beta, what is mutual induction? The phenomena of production of induced EMF in one coil. Here, the phenomena of production of induced EMF in one coil when magnetic flux link with the neighboring coil changes. Here, current start flowing, field and flux. Flux changes with the passage of time. This flux also link with the secondary circuit. Induced EMF is set up in the secondary when current flowing in the primary coil changes. This phenomena is known as mutual induction. So it is found that flux link with secondary depend upon the current flowing through primary. See here, flux in the secondary depend on current in primary. Directly proportional. Remove the symbol of directly proportional, equal to M. What is M? Constant of proportionality and is known as coefficient of mutual induction or mutual inductance. M is the symbol of mutual inductance. What is the definition of M? See here. If IP, what is IP? Current in the primary coil is unity 1. Then what do you get? M equal to phi S. Yes, beta. Arya Pandey, now could you define M? You can define. Bandit Sani, mutual inductance of two coils is numerically equal to flux link with the secondary when current flowing through the primary coil is unity. When current in the primary coil is unity, how much magnetic flux is linked with the secondary? That is known as mutual inductance. M. This is the definition of mutual inductance. Yes. Now the next question is, how does mutual inductance of a pair of coil change when distance between the coils is decreased, number of turns in the coils is decreased? Yes, beta. As the turns are close to each other, as the distance between coil decreases, distance between the primary and secondary coils decreases, then magnetic flux linked with secondary coil will increase. Obviously, when the distance decreases, more and more flux of primary can link with secondary. So magnetic flux linked with secondary coil increases. So if magnetic flux increases, phi increases, then mutual inductance will also increase. Secondly, number of turns in the coil is decreased. As the number of turns decreases, so magnetic flux link with the coils also decreases, beta. It is very clear that when the number of turns decreases, magnetic flux also decreases. So when magnetic flux decreases, from this formula, mutual inductance also decreases. So today, very important and special formula is phi equal to Mi. M is constant term. Yes. Shweta Kumari, M is constant term. So Riya and Sakshi, what is d phi? What is change in phi? Equal to M di. So what is the formula of M? D phi divided by di for numerical problems. M equal to d phi upon di. See the numerical. See here, bachcho. See, a pair of coils has mutual inductance given to you. Any inductance, Vedant Agnihotri, any inductance has the unit Henry. 1.5 Henry. If current in one coil changes from 0 to 20 ampere in this much time, find the change of flux linked with other coil. M is given to you. Yes, sir. 1.5 Henry. Change in current. What is change in current? 20 minus 0. 20. As we know. What is M? Beta, find change of flux linked with other coil. One coil, other coil. One coil, other coil. Which question is this? Obviously it is of mutual induction M. So M, mutual inductance M, d phi over di. M is given to you, di is given to you, cross multiply, you get the change in flux. D phi mean change in flux. What is the unit of flux? Kunal Thakur, Weber. Weber is the unit of flux. Apply this formula. M is given, di is given, you can find change in flux. Very simple numerical it is. Yes. See the next. Find the second numerical. Find the coefficient of mutual induction of a pair of coil if current of 3 ampere in one coil causes the flux in secondary coil of 1000 turns to change by this in each turn. Okay. What information is given to you? Jasharup, IP is 3 ampere. Flux linked with one turn. See here, it is given Mansi Sharma. It is a flux linked with one turn, each turn. Number of turns 1000. What is the total flux linked? Multiply them. Okay, sir. What is the formula? Today's very special formula is what is flux linked with secondary? Depend upon the current flowing through primary. Phi S equal to MIP. Revise this formula. Phi S equal to MIP. So what is M? Phi S over IP. Phi S is given. IP is given. You can find mutual inductance M, whose unit is Henry. Very simple question. Calculate the total flux. IP is given. You can find the value of M. So in this way, you can calculate the simple questions beta of mutual inductance M, change in flux, change in current. Okay, next time we will discuss with more problems. Next topic, you have studied regarding the self-induction, self-inductance, mutual induction, mutual inductance, and the unit of inductance is Henry. That's all. Next time we will discuss a very important question regarding the phenomena of mutual induction. That's all. Thank you very much.